There are a whole host of issues that a solicitor would advise on in relation to small and medium-sized businesses. They range from the initial setting up of the business to the change in ownership of that business to the dissolution of that business and many other factors. If someone's set up a business, then that's a good time to consult a lawyer because there are key business relationships that need to be documented, such as agreements with suppliers, agreements with their customers, agreements with their employees.
The other big thing for solicitors to help with is debt recovery. People say cash is king. If you don't get the cash in for doing the work, there's no point doing the work in the first place.
A small or medium-sized business should contact a solicitor when they know that they have a dispute or they need some advice. My advice would be that they contact us as soon as possible as they realise something's wrong.
A family business is obviously something that's close and very personal to those individuals themselves, and in a lot of instances they might look to want to protect their interests.
Family businesses have some unique problems all of their own. To do with succession principally. It's very difficult when a company is being passed or a business being passed from one generation to another. There are a whole host of taxation consequences that also need to be taken into account, and some very, very careful tax planning between the lawyers and the accountants to make sure that the business is passed from one generation to the next. The advice that a solicitor can give in connection with the sale of a business is to ensure that the terms are fair and reasonable and are not too onerous. Sometimes we do see clients who come to see us with business agreements relating to the sale which have not been negotiated by a firm of lawyers, and they can sometimes be particularly onerous.
While dealing with various issues within a company or a corporate entity, in terms of time, there are a number of factors with regards to issues that clients may have. A client may have a small issue which can be resolved the same day. However, there are some larger issues at hand which might require you pooling in people from different teams. If you're looking at simply issuing and lotting shares, well, that could be done within a week. If you're looking at buying a massive PLC, well, that could take you slightly longer than a few weeks. Regular contact means that we're actually aware of what the client's doing, what they're wanting to do, and how they're going about doing it.
I think that solicitors can better advise clients if they're in regular contact with their clients, because then you get to know more about the business and you can add some real value.